Hey guys, this is Robin. In these getting started videos, I'm going to help you set up ACPAD on your guitar and connect it to your computer. After you have gone through these installation videos, we strongly recommend to check out the tutorial series for ACPAD Replay. We put a link below this video. If you have any further questions after watching our clips, please check out the discussions on our community forum. You may find that others had similar questions that had already been answered there. Otherwise, go ahead and start your own new thread. Okay, here we go. Once you get ACPAD out of the box, remove the 5 stickers from the back of the device. Make sure that the sticky rubber pads appear clean. Check that your guitar surface is clean and free from dust as well. Then align ACPAD on your guitar and check to see if the device is equally spaced, both above and below the strings. Once aligned, press the ACPAD on the guitar surface and make sure that it's properly attached. When you turn on ACPAD, you will see the 10 blue LEDs nicely flash around the buttons and come to rest on mode 1. If that's not the case, you might have to charge it. I will explain how to charge ACPAD later in this video. Let's go over the layout of the ACPAD. We have 6 pads below the strings and 2 pads above the strings. You have 5 mode buttons labeled from 1 to 5 and 5 preset buttons with A, B, C, D and E. You also have 2 sliders for applying effects and 2 live loopers with 3 control buttons each. The LED near the ACPAD logo is your battery charge level indicator and also blinks when you plug in a USB cable. Depending on the battery charge level, you will see either a white light, blue light or red light. If the LED is white, it means that the battery is fully charged, 100%. It switches to blue light at a charge level between 99% and 10%. Note that you also can charge ACPAD when it's turned off. It should then take about 2 hours to charge ACPAD fully. Alright, now you're all set to watch the next video in order to learn how to connect ACPAD with your computer. For the next step, note that there are 2 separate videos, one for Mac users and one for Windows users. So accordingly, choose the one which applies to you.